Hey guys, Carlos Sala here. Today I'm gonna show you how to get your first client doing copy. What do you need to know, what do you need to do, and how to get it and avoid not getting paid. So let's go. First, what I started doing was, okay, I like copywriting because I love marketing. I love selling stuff. My main strength is that I can see the insights, see what people might need, what people may feel when they use it, when they use the thing, and then put it in the copy in a way that it sells. So I like doing really much, let's say, copy descriptions, product descriptions. I love it. I just love to do, because I thought, okay, what have I done in the past? I've done e-commerce. So I remember that I loved the part about doing the descriptions because I have this really cool technique that it works every single time and it's really good. So going from that, the main point here is that when you are going to give a service, be as specific as possible. If not, you're not gonna get what you want. And I know when we're starting out, when we're beginning, we just want like everything, and that's a good mindset. Like, okay, I'm gonna get anything that I can so I can practice, so I get paid, so I get more familiar with the flow of everything. So what I recommend doing, that I personally do, is go into every copywriting group you can encounter and just type copywriting group in the Facebook and then just post there, but make sure that they can let you post there, because a lot of groups have like another separate group that it's called like jobs. So make sure that you are in the jobs group so you can freely post there. If not, you're gonna get kicked out of the other group and you're not gonna be able to get all the benefits. So make sure that you can post there, and post something like that it's short, that it's funny, and that it's clear. So it could be like, I'm a young entrepreneur, I love copywriting, my true passion is doing product descriptions, I've worked in e-commerce in the past, and I'm looking for new projects. I'm looking to join new projects and work with you guys to make money and grow. That works really well. So you can put it, but be really specific, because if you're not specific enough, you're not gonna get anything. You just say like, hey, I wanna do copy, it's pretty hard. Another really good tip is having a portfolio. But this sounds obvious, but how do you start building a portfolio when you're just beginning, right? So the things that I truly recommend are, one, you can do examples. You can just practice. What I would do is that I would take, let's say, a list of 100 products, and I will make descriptions for them. Descriptions. Or 100 like topics that I really like, and just make copy. In this way, you are practicing and you can use it as a reference, right? The other thing you can do, you can post in a group. Like, everyone is a beginner sometime. You can post in a group, hey, I'm a beginner, I'm looking to practice, I'm looking to build a portfolio. So can anyone just give me a task? Hopefully a one that you need. So you do it for free. So in this way, you have a reference, and next time it will be really easier for you to get a new job. Another tip is you can use Upwork. That is like a software, a platform where you can post your experience, your things, and then you can get jobs there. A really nice topic that I learned yesterday is that in Upwork you can like apply for certain jobs. So there's like a newsfeed and you can apply for them, and you put like a short sentence. There you can put like a sample of what you would do. So let's say it's a description for a wallet. You'll be like, yeah, I use this really cool formula that's called the golden circle, that it's start with why, how, and what. So I would say like, those places where you save the things that you truly value, that you have earned, are the places that you need to keep safe, are the places that you trust. That's why the new brown wallet is the best option for you. So I will put like a sample. That's a cool tip that I just learned yesterday from someone that I added to the group. So thank you very much, Timothy. The next tip is, obviously, if you have seen my past video how to avoid scamming, and if you're not, just look at it. Ask for money in advance for the 50%. Make sure that it's legit. Don't do the work for free. At least you're gonna get practice as I did, but it's better to learn these things from the beginning. Also, make a PayPal account. Be ready, right? Have everything ready to be successful. Because a lot of people are just looking for the option, but they're not ready, and then they get the opportunity and they're not ready. So make a PayPal account, make any type of payment that you can receive, your bank account, a wire transfer, it depends on where you are. So post every single day, getting Upwork, getting Fiverr, getting anything that you can, and offer the free service at first. I know this sounds hard, but you need to sell yourself first, free. You have to give your service, so you have a portfolio, you have the social proof, and then you start getting more and more jobs. So those are my tips for today, guys. Remember, you just have to get one, and then you're done. Your mindset is done. The first big step is getting your first dollars. That's the good feeling that you get, like, man, this is real, this does work. So focus on getting that first sale. Don't give up until you get your first one. And then realize this is possible. This was much easier than I thought. And now you have a reference, and now you can keep going and start shaping and seeing what things do I like the most. Focus on, okay, what things I can do the whole day and I don't get bored at all. Just start noticing, like, okay, I did this page post, I did this SEO article, I did the description, I did this sales page, this funnel, and which one of those your time went by the quickest? You were more excited. Start looking for those, and in this way you will have like a permanent source of fuel, and you'll keep going and do the things that you like. That's the key here, guys. Find as soon as possible what is the type of copy that you love, and then just start promoting just that, and start telling people, I'll do this and this. Clarity is power. I'll do this and you'll get more of this. So I hope those tips help you guys. Don't ever give up. Keep going until it works, and I'll see you later. Peace out.